So today we got some shrimp sauteed in some butter and some Cajun seasoning. And right now I'm sprinkling some Parmesan parsley. And these are the ingredients that I used in it too, because I just decided to record. So you got your lemon pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. So this meal wasn't planned, by the way. Extra spicy Cajun seasoning, because it is gonna go with my noodles, which is some kimchi noodles, and it's a little spicy too. So, and some lemon juice. So this gonna be a spicy dish, and it again, it wasn't planned. I just recorded it the last minute, and yeah, I had 2 slices of butter, so they want me putting the 2 up there, and yeah. So while that's sauteing, I'm going to get my mushrooms, and then I got some mushrooms that were about to go bad, so I wanted to just add those to the pan. So that's what you're gonna see in a second or so. Yeah, I added the mushrooms. Those are portobello mushrooms, baby portobello mushrooms. And then, yeah, I added a few, and I threw the rest out because you don't need to put the whole pan of mushroom with the shrimp as well. Yeah, mix that, let that heat up a little bit. So since the noodles are like kimchi and Asian flavor, I decided to add some toasted sesame seed oil. You're finna see that in a minute, to give a little Asian flair with the spices. So there you go, toasted sesame seed oil. It wasn't much, maybe like a teaspoon, or maybe a good teaspoon. And there you have it. Got my noodles, kimchi, spicy kimchi noodles. And then the shrimp and the mushroom. Again, this meal wasn't planned, with just a last minute something to put together. I always have to add a little green flair to it. So this is like some chopped up onions, green onions, to make it cute and add more flavor as well. There you have it.